Hello students, hope you have gone through the last part of the chapter, methods of contraception. So now today we are starting amniocentesis. So amniocentesis, I think you have heard of this term before, or the technique that is used to diagnose it is a prenatal diagnostic technique, means it is used to diagnose whether the fetus which is inside the mother's womb is a boy or a girl, or if it has any defects. So that method which is used by taking out some fluid from the mother's womb, that is amniocentesis. So amniocentesis is a prenatal diagnostic technique. A prenatal diagnostic technique. So first we'll see the procedure, how amniocentesis is done. So in the procedure, first an ultrasound of the mother's womb will be done. Okay, ultrasound or sonography. Ultrasound of the mother's womb will be done. So after ultrasound, what happens in the ultrasound? The location of the fetus is seen by the doctor. So location of fetus is seen. So using a needle, amniotic fluid is taken out from the fetus. So using needle, amniotic fluid is taken out. Very little amniotic fluid is taken out. Mostly it is 15 ml. About 15 ml or less than it. Okay. So amniotic fluid is taken out. So this amniotic fluid will contain fetal cells. Okay. So contains fetal cells. This amniotic fluid is taken out from the fetus. So this contains some fetal cells. These fetal cells are cultured in vitro or in the lab, which are cultured in vitro. So after the cells are cultured, what we get is, from that, karyotyping is done. Karyotyping is done. So karyotyping is staining and arrangement of all the chromosomes in the fetus. Means all the 46 chromosomes are arranged number wise. Suppose this is the first pair of chromosome 1, then the second pair of chromosome 2. Like this, all the 46 chromosomes, all the 23 pairs of chromosomes, including the sex chromosome also, those are arranged. And from there, we get to know whether it is a boy or a girl, because the 46 number chromosome, if the chromosomes are XX, then it will be a girl, and if it is XY, then it will be a boy. So in this process or in this procedure, amniocentesis is done. Now we have seen the procedure. Now we'll see the uses of amniocentesis. The uses of amniocentesis. The first use is, it can detect chromosomal defects. Can detect chromosomal defects. Now how chromosomal defects can be detected? I told you the chromosomes are arranged in this way. Suppose this is one pair, this is the second pair. Suppose in the 21st pair, this is the 21st pair, a third number chromosome is seen. Then this condition is known as trisomy, and the disorder is Down's syndrome. So in this way, if any defect is there in the chromosome, then it will be detected. Next, number 2 is sex determination. Sex determination is also done using amniocentesis. Nowadays, sex determination is not done because female feticide cases are increasing. So generally, this is avoided, or for amniocentesis for sex determination is banned now. So we'll come to that later. So for sex determination, I already told you the 46 number chromosome. If it is XX, it will be female. If it is XY, it will be male. So if in 46 number chromosome we see XXY, okay, we see 3 chromosomes there, then this will again be Klinefelter syndrome. So in this way, a defect will be again detected related to sex chromosome. So I already told you, nowadays amniocentesis is banned, okay, because sex determination is done, and this is affecting the sex ratio. The male to female ratio is being affected due to sex determination, because female feticide is increasing. As female feticide is increasing, the sex ratio is affected. Males are increasing, female are less. So again that ratio is affected. So that is why nowadays amniocentesis is banned. But it is done only under special conditions. Okay, if the doctor says that you can do it, then it is done. Otherwise, it is banned. Then third use is for metabolic disorders. Now there can be metabolic disorders. Suppose the baby is not secreting certain enzyme. So that is again a metabolic disorder. So an example of metabolic disorder can be phenylketonuria. Here one enzyme is not present. So this can be detected. One enzyme is not present. So this can be detected with the help of amniocentesis. So these are mainly the uses. Now during amniocentesis, if something dangerous is detected, okay, something very dangerous is detected, which can be dangerous for the baby or the mother, or both the baby and the mother, then medical termination of pregnancy is done. MTP. Okay. When is medical termination of pregnancy done? When through amniocentesis something dangerous is detected which can be threatening for both the baby and the mother or one of them, then the doctor will say that that abortion needs to be done or medical termination of pregnancy needs to be done, which is MTP. So this is all about amniocentesis. So next we'll start with a different topic.